Many believe AI jobs need advanced coding skills or degrees. This isn't accurate. Many beginner-friendly AI remote jobs are emerging, especially for quick learners. Let's explore some of the best beginner-friendly AI remote jobs available now. The first role is an AI content writer or editor. Companies use AI tools like ChatGPT for drafting articles and posts. Human editors enhance the accuracy and quality of AI-generated content. This role is a great entry point for those who enjoy writing. Next is the role of an AI data annotator or trainer. They train AI systems by labeling images or categorizing data. Positions often need only attention to detail and basic computer skills. Some companies hire beginners without needing advanced tech skills. Typical pay ranges from $15 to $25 per hour. Another growing position is AI prompt engineer. This role involves crafting prompts that enhance AI outputs. Employers value creativity and results over formal degrees. Learning AI tools effectively offers an edge in the job market. Another option is an AI product support specialist. They assist customers in using and troubleshooting AI tools. Customer service skills plus AI knowledge are very valuable. AI QA tester is another developing role. They test AI systems for errors and quality issues. Companies require human reviewers as AI can make mistakes. AI-assisted graphic design is another rapidly growing field. Designers use tools like Midjourney and Doll-Middle.e to enhance creativity. Companies seek those familiar with design and AI tools. A key advantage of AI remote jobs is their novelty. Competition is lower as fewer people know these tools. Those learning these tools now may gain a significant future advantage. For more AI side hustles and remote job opportunities, subscribe to Smart Money Moves.